And hello and welcome to Math 3, Saxon Math 3, Lesson 84. All right, so get your little blue book and pull out Lesson 84. You should have this page, a subtraction fact sheet, and Lesson 84. And today's lesson is selecting coins for a given amount. So we are going to use this sheet. And look, I already have 25 cents written in with numbers on the side. So let's get started. How is everyone? Hello, good to see you. Let's go to my whiteboard here, which I already have set up, ready to go. And you can see that I have quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. And the total coins, right, are 1. So let's say, let's do text, put it up here. Let's say, that we are going to talk about 25 cents. I don't know how to do the cents mark on my computer, so we're just going to do dollars with a decimal. If I was doing 25 cents and I had one coin that I was using, would I have 1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel, or 1 penny? That's right. I would have 1 quarter. So let's do 1. Let's say I had 3 coins, okay? And let's look at quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. How much are quarters worth, right? Let's go ahead and write that above here so that we're all on the same page. 25 cents. We'll do a C for cents. And how much are dimes worth? Dimes are worth 10 cents. And how much are nickels worth? Nickels are worth 5 cents. And then, of course, pennies, 1 cent. Okay, so if I had 3 coins, what 3 coins would exactly make 25 cents? We could do 2 dimes and 1 nickel. And those would equal 3 coins. Now, what about 4? If we had 4 coins, how many, let's see, just so I can do this quickly, how many would I have? I could not use 1 quarter. Could I use a dime? I could. Could I use nickels? How many? 3, that's right. To make 4 coins. Total coins, right? So do you see what I'm doing here? We're trying to make 25 cents, right, here. And I can only use 1 coin to create 25 cents. That would be 1 quarter. Here, I have a total of 3 coins. And I'm using 2 dimes and 1 nickel. So on your sheet, let's stop share. So on your sheet, right, you would put 1 quarter. Here we're using 3 coins. So we're going to put 2 dimes, 1 nickel. Here we're using 4 coins. And then from the list, you just go down 5, 7, 8, 9, and you do your best at trying to get the total coins, how many different times and different ways to make it. So for example, look at the bottom, we have 25 coins. So which would we use to get 25 coins to equal 25 cents? That's right, 25 pennies, 25 coins. Coins are quarters, pennies, nickels, and dimes. So because those are all coins, we can mix them up to get 25 cents. All right, so I will let you do that. It's 25 cents. Let's see what you can create with the different numbers. All right. And then I'll let you do a subtraction fact by yourself. And let's do lesson 84A together. Super simple. Although I think I forgot to grab a pencil again. So let me grab one right back. All right. So we are going to start with numero uno. So, number one, let's go to my whiteboard, right? We're going to clear this. You guys understand what we're doing here. So clear all of my drawings. And let's start with number one. Number one says, it takes Mrs. Egan 2 hours to drive to the airport. What is the latest time she can leave in order to be at the airport by 7 a.m.? Well, this is super simple, right? Our 7 a.m. minus 2 equals 5 a.m. Remember to put your a.m. in there, Mr. Litherland. Okay. Number two, we're going to write using words. 493. Using words. Yay, we did it. Well, I did it with it typing. You guys have to do cursive. All right, number three. Let's see what number three is. Oh, wait, no, we're still on number two. Thank you. Write 790 using digits. Okay, let's make my soup. Okay. Number three, draw a line graph to show the following temperatures. I hope you guys remember this. It hasn't been that long. So what are we going to do initially? We're going to go to, let's stop share so we can do this together, right? We are going to go, we're looking at February 21st at 8 degrees. So here are our dates, right? So this is the 21st line, this is the 22nd line, and this is for February 23rd. And we're going to go to 8 degrees, which is in between 0 and 10. So what do we put? Do we put a line or do we put a dot? That's right, we put a dot. So we'll do the dot there. And then let's just keep moving through, right? February 22nd is negative 10 degrees. Whew, I wonder where this place is, right? February 23rd is 12 degrees. So it's just above the 10 line. And then negative 5, which would be right in the middle. And then 39. Ooh, they had a heat wave. 39. So you should have your dots drawn, right, on each date. And the lines that are vertical are your date lines. The horizontal lines are your temperature lines. So we have our dots, and then what do we do next? Connect them. That's right. Connect, connect, connecting the dots. So your line graph should look like this. Kind of like a W almost. A little awkward W, right? One's really high on this side other than the other side. All right. So that's number three. We did it together. Great. Number four. Oh, what is the length of this rectangle in millimeters? I do not have a ruler that has centimeters on it, so I cannot do this one with you, but we do know that when you're measuring in centimeters, each line on the centimeter is 1 millimeter. Okay, so you guys can do that. Ooh, how many days are in each of the following months? Yay, we can do this one together. All right, we're gonna look at May. January, February, March, April, May. Ooh, it's a knuckle month. What were knuckle months? Were they 30 days or were they 31? That's right. So there are 31 days in May. Right. So May, June, July, August. August is a knuckle month. It's a punch you out for month. All right. September, August. September is in the middle. It's in that crease right there. It's an in-between knuckle. So that is how many days? That's right, 30 days. And then, ooh, we have to start from the beginning again. January, February, March. Knuckle month, 31. Hope you guys remembered that. So it should look like this. 31, 31, 31. Okay. How many days are in 1 year? Yes, 365. We're going to put 365 because it says 1 year. It doesn't say how many days are in 1 leap year. All right, let's go to number 6. Let me pull up my whiteboard here and go here. I'm going to have a whiteboard. Click that, and we're going to cross this out. Ew. It's a really fun cross out, actually. Kind of looks like a flower, maybe? I'm not sure. Okay, number 6. Let's do this together. We're looking, remember your dollar sign, right? 247.00. Ooh, that's an O. And then we have 392.00 below. Let's do a drawing line. And let's draw a line here. And then let's do this. We'll put a plus sign here. And now let's add. So we're going to bring down the zeros, right? And the decimal. Please remember your decimal. And then 7 plus 2 equals what? That's right, 9. 4 plus 9, because we're doing the nines, right? We're adding the nines, is 13. So we have the 3, and then we carry the 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, what am I missing on this sum? Am I missing anything? Yes, the dollar sign. That's correct. Woo, that's a lovely dollar sign. I love it. Okay, now the next one is 658 plus 163. Bring down your zeros, right? You can put 163 below. I'll show you in just a moment. Stop share. Bring the 163 over if you'd like to put it below, and we're adding. So 3 plus 8 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 1 and plus 6 is 8. Remember your decimal, your zeros, and your dollar sign. So it should look like this. Okay, let's add, ooh, they keep doing these digit ones. Let's put 39 underneath the 447, right? So it would look like this, right? And then let's go to our whiteboard, and we're going to add, what is it? 447 plus 39, okay? And it's going to be, we're going to do 6. We're going to carry the 1, right? Let's draw, carry the 1, and that will be 8. And then this, bring it down, it is a 4. It's going to be a funny 4, and it's going to be really big. How much fun is that? All right, so $486, right? And we're going to text here. So it should look like this. Remember your dollar sign, and it's 486, your decimal, and your 0 cents, okay? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? It does! Not, because it's 0. All right. And then what are the smudged digits? I will allow you guys to do that. Let's clear this. Let's stop share. The smudged digits, we're looking, remember, at the single digit here. We do not have to put the 40, right? So let's look at this. What plus 4 equals 10? What plus 4 equals 10? Because it's 60, right? So it's going to be a 10. Let me get that out of my face so it doesn't look so weird. Yes, 6 plus 4 equals 10. See? Because that is a 0, it is a 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. What is 80 divided by 10? Your answer should be 8, right? Remember, we have an equal sign here. So what times 4 equals 8? That's correct, 2. So your answer there would be 2. And then let's look at they have 4 of them on here now. Let's look at the next one. We're looking at equals 53. So we have a 3. And we have a 5. What? 9 minus what equals 5? 4. That's correct. All right. And then, this is really fun. 16 minus what equals the square root of 49? All right. So what is the square root of 49? What times what? That's correct. 7. So 16 minus what equals 7? 9, right? All right. So we did side A together. I hope you guys had fun with this lesson, and I'll see you one more time this week, and then I'll see you back again on Tuesday next week here on Virtual Video World. Yeah, not really. Okay, good to see you guys, or good to see me because I'm looking at myself. But please keep sending the photos. I'm really enjoying them. Thank you all for your cooperation and your contribution to your children's learning. Thumbs up. Ciao for now.